My name's Samuel Burmeister. I studied the Cert 4 in bookkeeping. During that time, I was working full-time at MYOB as a partner manager, and I'd go home at night and study the Cert 4. After I finished that, I started my business. Tallbooks has two main aspects to it. So one side is the bookkeeping, which is completely cloud-based. We work with all three main providers, Xero, QuickBooks, and MYOB, and we service payroll, BAS, and bookkeeping for clients all the way up to tax prep. The other side is the implementation and training of accounting software. Studying online was a big breath of fresh air for me because I had previously studied at university and I felt like my learning style did not match a classroom environment. So doing online study allowed me to work it around my lifestyle. I could work during the day, come home and study at my own pace. The inability to go into a classroom and be forced to study means I need to structure my study. I need to make sure I'm organized, I'm planned. I'm definitely a hands-off kind of learner. I like to be left alone to do my own thing and be resourceful and study, but I like to also be able to come and get a quick response when needed. And I found it was brilliant because I'd study late into the night, send an email off. Sometimes I get a reply half an hour later, someone else is also working in the middle of the night, straight back with a reply I needed with exercises or examples. It was great. So now I've started a business and seen what the Cert 4 has given me. I'm really hungry to get the diploma, so eventually I can go into further accounting and open up a tax branch of Tallbooks as well. The Diploma of Accounting is much more challenging, but that gives me an extra boost. If I can get through it, then I've got more confidence in myself, and it's really been enjoyable because I'm now understanding the complete cycle of the accounting industry. My tips for someone who hasn't studied online before: do make sure you know what's driving you. Like any goal, you need to have a clear vision of why you're doing this. What's the end result? What change do you want to bring about in your life? And how will studying online help you get there?